Hey, good morning. Thanks for checking out the 2010 Nissan Altima that we have here. This is a one owner vehicle. It's in very good shape, well maintained. Has smart key entry system here. You can kind of see the inside. Well taken care of. Only has 75,000 miles. So you can see this wasn't driven a lot, being a 2010 model. Check out the back seat here. It's not stained up or anything like that. Let's come around here. We'll kind of go around it real quick. Nice clear headlights. Got a couple little scratches on the bumper, but not much of anything. Tires are in good shape. Anyway, a couple little scratches right there. But yeah, anyway, if you're interested in learning more about this vehicle or taking it for a test drive, call Tim at Heyward Toyota, and that's 706-549-7002. Thanks. Bye.